So guys, welcome back. Now, if you are new to this channel, please before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, we will be doing a quick analysis on our CAD JPY. First of all, let's take you to our pound JPY index. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, our JPY has actually been ranging within this area, right? We are waiting for a breakout below this our area and continue bearish move. And guess what? If we have that breakout, we are waiting for it. I've just highlighted it. Once we have that break below it, then definitely there's one position we are aiming on our JPY downward, which is actually now going to be start trending down, and any pair relating to our JPY should actually be going bullish. Now we can see on our card, definitely we can see we've highlighted this our area here. Definitely when we have that break below on our JPY, definitely our card will actually be going up. So we are aiming to go bullish on our card JPY. Thereby when we go bullish, we should actually be hitting, giving us a double top on our card JPY. As you can see, our price has come down, is reacting to this our key level area here. We can see it has one serves as a resistance level. When our price has actually been ranging, it has one serves as a resistance level. Definitely we would want to be seeing the reaction to go bullish on our card JPY. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as we can see, our price has actually hit here. By the way, if you have to analyze it, you see that it's probably possibly we are still on a downward trend. That is what I said. Let's wait on our JPY index to actually break below and continue going bullish. Then we can go when our pound JPY breaks below and continue going bearish. Then definitely we would want to take a buy position on our card JPY. But let's see how our price will react. I believe that possibly if we don't hit go fully bullish today, by next week we would actually be going bullish on our card JPY. So we are aiming to go take our price up on our card JPY. And now on our 1-hour time frame, as you can see, let's see out, and I think possible way to actually take your buy position on our card JPY is probably when we see multiple break or structure upward, when we see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on our 30 minutes time frame. Then I think that would be a good opportunity to actually not take our buy position on our card JPY. So that is my analysis for the day. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.